Good morning, Jose. Good morning. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers. Good morning, YouTube. We're back. I'm ready to make some money. Let's see what the market gives us today. Your boy is excited. Your boy is excited today. Because it's a new day, clean slate, more money to make. Good morning, Steve. Feeling a little bit better today as well. Yesterday, I was dealing with my allergies. Like, Florida's getting hit with tons of pollen right now. It always makes my allergies flare up. But last night, I put a new filter in for my AC. All that stuff. So I woke up feeling better. But I am getting some allergy meds after the stream today. Not today, Satan. Not today. Looking like a little bear flag printing right now.
God.
What's up, Rob? Good morning, sir.
Cash money.
Let me actually check our audio levels. What's up, Smooth? Good morning, sir. I got no audio. I think it's my phone, though. Good morning. Let me just close that app out and go back to it. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Could you hear me on the stream?
Yeah, I said cash money, baby.
No, I saw that, but okay, this is. Oh, I found it. My phone's connected to a Bluetooth. I'm like, why can't I not hear what's going on here? Because I want to check the audio.
Come on, Daddy. Let's make our money.
The market makers don't sound good? Okay. Let me see what we got going on with that, because I've changed literally nothing.
Well, I can guarantee that my voice is the same as it always been.
No, talking about how it's coming through on the audio. Morning, Mikey. Morning is.
I'm just troubleshooting my end, you monster. Dr. Duane.
Not Dr. Duane. That's crazy.
So I think my favorite nickname for you is Double Dynamite.
This thing's absolutely dumping. I won't say dumping, but we're going down. Good morning, Yaz. No, I don't know what's going on with the market maker's voice. It's weird because it's been clean the entire week. I have not changed a thing. Market. Morning, Travis.
Check two.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, me, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you are live.
I need to figure out why it does that. That's weird. So some days the voices sound good from the community on the live stream, then other days it has an echo.
Well, at least I was able to do the I am Iron Man and hear it, so that was cool.
No, it took me a second. Took me a second to realize, I was like, who's Draco? And I was like, oh yeah.
That's right, baby.
Morning, Skunks. Well, good evening to you, sir.
Good evening. Let's do it to it, baby.
Let's do it to it, baby, he just said. Let's do it to it. Let's do it to it, y'all. All right, let's dive on in here. Let's see what we got going on. We're currently below the 21 EMA. The 21 EMA is sitting at 807, 807. Then the VWAP sitting at 816.75, 816.75. The pivot point above that, 819.25. We got a lot going on in a small area right there. The close from yesterday, 24,945.50. 24,945.50. This is the close from yesterday. Then we got the overnight high sitting at 928. 928 for the overnight high there. Let's go down to the overnight low. Let's see where we're looking at. Overnight low, 24,695.50. 695.50 is that overnight low. With that being said, I have no bias for the day. I never have a bias for the day because I simply wait to see what the market wants to do. And then I execute. So I'm looking for bull flags, bear flags with momentum. I don't know y'all's strategy, but look for your move, trust your move, and execute. Don't second guess yourself. Trust your strategy if it's a consistent strategy for you. If you haven't already, I dropped a video yesterday evening on mastering trading psychology. How to master trading psychology. So check it out. It should help you guys. I recorded it when I was in San Antonio last weekend. All right, baby. So, huh? Yeah, I posted in the community as well. Yeah, I trust it should help you guys. It will let you guys know, one, you're not alone. Every trader deals with the same things. It was good content, yes. Awesome. We'll take that. Appreciate it. The message you did in that video is a true testament. Oh, I love that, bro. What's up, Rainbow Trader? Or, oh, no. I'm reading in the comments. Buds, bros? Okay. Anyways, we got less than 3 minutes now. Less than 3 minutes for market open, and your boy is excited. I'm a Rainbow Trader. Definitely not. But anyways, I'm ready to execute some trades and make some money today.
What's a rainbow trader? Is that some kind of innuendo or what is that?
I think I know what he's talking about, but I'm not going to put it on the stream. If he continues to run his mouth,
Is he calling you an ant? Is that what it is?
he'll be able to go to the special VIP room. I had to get on one of my managers this morning because I love my managers, but he called me before a stream. So if I get a call before a stream from one of my managers, I gotta reach back out. Like, what's going on? You know what I'm saying? He's like, oh, you got me? I'm like, yeah. And then he puts me on the phone with someone else. As soon as I'm like, bro, never do that again. Don't do that. The only reason why I called was because you called me. If I was trying to talk to someone else, I'll call them. Don't put me on like a three-way without telling me what's going on. We may come on down today. We're going to see. We're going to see. We got no news for the rest of the day. We got news tomorrow at 10. News tomorrow at 10. So we're going to see how the market wants to play today.
We got 40 seconds.
40 seconds left. 40 seconds left. I own a security agency. I have a cleaning business and a trailer rental business.
And you also rap every other weekend.
At the big club. Something like that. Something like that. Here comes market open. And my dog in the chat, I think he's going to the VIP room. I haven't seen anyone to the VIP room in quite a bit. Market's open there. Market's open. No news today. No news today. How does the news affect your strategy? Honestly, it really doesn't affect it because you're only looking for bull flags or bear flags with momentum. So if there's no momentum, there's no trade. Alrighty. I'm waiting until 9:45. 9:45 for me to execute trades here. I always wait the first 15 minutes so the market could settle, so we could get a better grasp on what the market actually wants to do for the day. But I feel like this, it's only been a minute in, so I can't just make call outs yet, but
You can, for the people that are tired.
we got that selling wick, that strong selling wick on the 2 minute and on that 5 minute.
Oh yeah, I see that.
So I would feel like it wants to come on down a little bit.
Just like the price is right. Come on down.
Because we got that overnight low 69,550 down there. And I feel like that's up for grabs. With all the stuff dealing with the war stuff, everything like that. Like, anything's up for grabs. Yeah, this thing going to make that move. I want to take it so bad. All right, let's see if we build a flag here. Let's see if we build a little flaggy flag.
Would like to see a flag.
Ooh, look at that buying pressure on that 5 minute too. Dangerous, dangerous. But we're going to see. What a time to be alive. All right, we're passing more than 50% of that previous candle there. So I'll be a little bit more hesitant now for a bear flag, but it's still doable. Still doable, but
Well, this shouldn't be exciting you to trade right now. This is kind of like ridiculous.
I know we're only 3 minutes in. You're right, Steve. You're right. I'm like locked in, ready to execute already. Hopefully I can do decent decent base hits in a couple of my accounts today so I can take a payout tomorrow. That'd be pretty nice going to the weekend, getting a payout. Travis, I'm waiting, bro. I'm waiting. Your boy's tempted, and thank God I just realized that I did not plug in my computer. So I should probably do that so that way while on stream we're not dying. All right, through the VWAP, we went through the pivot as well. Ooh, Nellies. Welcome everybody. For all the new people in here, appreciate you guys tuning in. We trade Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time, live with you guys and with the Legacy Wealth Society market makers. And then every single night, we have the Traders Hangout where we talk trading, we talk life, and everything in between. So welcome. Hopefully you guys are having a solid day in the market so far. Travis, smart man, bro. You're doing it smart. Do something so you don't want to trade.
Duane is dancing, so that's always good.
I gotta do something. I can't trade yet. So I might as well just vibe. Let's see here. Playing around with this VWAP. Below that pivot.
Hey, what was your VWAP, if you don't mind me asking, on the 2 minute?
My VWAP was sitting right at pretty much 811.50.
Okay, good. We're back in the same neighborhood.
Hey, we'll take that.
It might be the next house number down, like the next driveway, but at least I'm not in the next county, or like it's touching the VWAP. I'm like, what?
So right now, the low of this range, 74225. 74225. It's looking like that's going to be the low for today's range. We do have 9 minutes left.
I was just gonna say I've never heard you call the low when it's got 9 minutes left, but that's cool, man. I'll draw a box just to kind of get in there.
Well, I'm assuming that's going to be our low, only because we're hanging out around the VWAP, this 21.
No, I absolutely agree. Because it's been tight in its opening ranges.
Yeah, but the past 2 days have been tight.
Yeah, it's like. It makes it harder to diddle in the middle when there's no, it's like, oh, we're through the middle.
All right, let's see if we pump above this pivot point.
Well, my computer updated last night, even though it's not supposed to, like, on the schedule.
Yeah.
I had trades going, so it was like, okay.
Yeah, that's Aggie. That's Aggie. Still playing with this pivot. Looking like that's a bull flag that just printed there. I myself, I wouldn't have taken that right there only because we had the pivot right above us. And I don't want to knowingly take a long into a pivot where it could reject. But that's just me.
You don't like those ricochet trades?
I do not like the ricochet trades.
Like the blue line, it's going along, and it's like frozen. And, okay, we're reversing.
We're reversing. Come on, 9:45. Your boy's ready to trade. I want to click the button. For my market makers, how we feeling? How we feeling?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm just be optimistic that it's not going to chop as much as it has in the last couple of days. Maybe give us some moves.
I agree with that as well. It was pretty good here. Literally just popped up shower, lost the market, so that kept me out of doing anything dumb this morning.
Hey, you gotta learn how to survive, and that's one. Let me take a shower right at market open, so I literally can't trade whatsoever till 9:45.
And try touching your screen when your fingers are wet, see what happens. Come on.
It's got his all-weather case on the iPad.
Audio and background is not good. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I think I may need to update my computer again. Not sure. Because I've changed nothing. So, yeah, at this point, I'm not going to restart my computer since market's already open. So, apologize about that. Tomorrow should be better. What's up, Kane?
Duane, you know what? Now that I think about it, from when we did live streams at the university, even one of those 8-town boards that Black Magic has, like the stream box or whatever, it's a little tiny thing, but you can plug in all the devices you need and control the sources and come out really clean. That could be something to look into as you continue to progress.
Okay. No, definitely do that because right now, honestly, I need to learn my audio like box thing I got controller because I know nothing about it. Because I got this one off Amazon for my Shure mic, but I feel like I need to get a better for the audio because right now all the audio is just going through OBS.
I'll take a look around for you and send you some options and go over it and see what stuff you need.
Okay. No, I appreciate that. Oh, Nellies. Is that 742.25 going to hold for this range? Real small range today as well. I got to see an A++ setup for me to jump in today.
What do you need, like 700 something? 700 to pass this eval?
Okay. You got that. That's light work for you, Mitch.
Yeah, 753. Oh, like you're all saying, realistic guys here, and I hope that comes through.
Oh, I hope so too, bro.
Today's the last day for that account.
Oh, boy. So that's a full port day. That's what I just heard. Today's the last day. You know, it's all or nothing.
Yeah, something like that.
All right. I literally have less than 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes to be fully cleared to trade. And your boy's excited somewhat. Wish the market was actually moving. Like right now, it's like just slow. Reminds me of last Friday's market open. Oh, Nellies. Let me move my doodle down here. I would like to see a flag get built. I would really like a flag getting built here, but What we got? What we got? Oh, Nellies. 745 just hit. That bad boy looked like it want to take a new low for today's session. I got 40 seconds left for me to be cleared. Am I going to get this move? Oh, nope, not going to get the move. All right. As this continues to drop, we're just making a new low for the 15-minute range here, since it's not fully completed yet. Less than 10 seconds now for this range to be completed. So 72650, 72650 was the low of the range. And we're currently breaking out of the range. We got a pivot point below us, the overnight low below us as well. Pivot below is 69325. Overnight low is 69525. Let's see if we retest the low of this 15-minute range. That's what I would prefer. Maybe we get us a little flag and then we continue lower. Your boy wouldn't complain about that. It's so close to oh, man. We were so close to tapping the low of that 15-minute range right there. But we did not tap it. So now I don't know how I feel. There's the overnight low and the pivot. Man, we would have tapped that low of that 15-minute range and then kept going down. I would have jumped in on that short. But we're below this pivot now. Let's see how we react. First target is 67250. 67250. What was that? Jesus. I'm going to get ready to close that. That was dangerous.
From what I marked out this morning, we hit all the lows that I had marked out, but we're not taking out any of those highs as you can see. So, could be waiting for a reversal, otherwise we, might be just moving slowly back up.
I don't like what the Rincos just did there whatsoever.
It took me out of my trade. I was like, I'm not happy with that.
Who took that dump right now?
I jumped in, but the Rincos just did a massive pop up where I'm getting ready to close this one. I'll cut my losses.
Yeah, I jumped out when it jumped up myself. Because that was a weird move.
Yeah, I closed that. That's one way to lose $2,000 in a funded account right there.
Oh, no way.
Aggie. Just straight Aggie. Straight Agginess.
I'm sorry.
Oh, nothing you guys did. Not even that I did. That I don't know where that pop would even came from right there.
I saw the same thing, man. I was in too, so.
Ah.
I didn't have your leg in it, so I'm better off right now.
There's the retest of that low of the 15-minute range. Yeah, $2,000. That was a $2,000 loss right there in one of my fundeds, which is Aggie, which is straight Agginess right now.
I think we're in a retracement, right, Dr. Moose?
Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, I mean, it should go. If I'm not mistaken, I want to see it go up to 779. The 15 already had a retracement. Well, it had a big wick. This current candle doesn't have a wick yet. I'm assuming it's going to go up a little more.
If we go up or go down, don't matter which direction we go, but at least do something clean.
Well, that was not clean. That was
It's not that I was risky. It was I was doing a momentum play because after we crossed through, we like doing a stair step up and then we continue down on the Renko. So that's why I was watching. That's why I jumped in, but I didn't have enough time to even close in profit because in a split second it popped. Touch my yellow line there. My original yellow line.
I think we'll touch 668. Duane, just for
Yeah.
before I gotta go off. Saturday?
Yep.
Moose.
What's up?
I just want to say I appreciate you guys. I know you're probably splitting like soon, so I hope you have a great day, man. Shake ass, brother.
430 on that trade right there. We'll take that. Simple base hit there. Just base hitting, just base hitting. I got my first target down here as well. 67250. 67250 was my first target. And there's that target getting tapped right there. My next target I have on my chart is sitting down at 618.50. Let's see if we maybe build a little flag that right here.
Duane would like to see a flag.
Oh, that's not good. Smooth. Sorry to hear that, bro. I do not have a way to indicate which way the consolidation is leaning. You got a 50-50 chance it's going up or down when it comes to consolidation. You just never know. Good job, Times. I want us to build a flag.
I was thinking about it anyway.
Yeah, wants to build us a little flaggy flag to take us lower. But I want to stay below that pivot that's above us. We're going to stair step it. $260 on that trade right there. Rotate to the next one. And these are funded accounts. I'm putting money in here. Looks like we're coming down to my second target. 618.50 is my target. Let's see if we could get some type of a flag so I could jump in again. Nice, Papa.
You gonna trade?
No, not right now.
Looks like we could be working on a second flag. That'd be good.
Yeah, I would love a flag right now. What does a flag look like? Well, so here's a bear flag. It's not a pretty bear flag. Let me get some lines here so I could. So this was a bear flag right here. Push down, slight push up, and then we continue down. Just curious, why don't you guys go long or short and don't sell until you see profit? That's what we do. We don't close until we see profit, sir.
Well, sometimes we'll cover our losses and you cut our losses. Like Johan, hold it for 15 minutes.
Yeah, Johan's a wild man. He's a wild man. All right, just putting another bear flag here as well. Let's see if we get a little bit more momentum. It wants to do a bear flag, but the bears need to step in and sweep it. Because I don't like that little buying wick on that 2-minute candle.
Yeah, I see that. Come on, get heavy, baby. Get heavy.
Yeah, get heavy for us. Get heavy, Betsy. Oh, it's getting ready to be 10 o'clock. Getting ready to be 10 o'clock.
Good call. 45 seconds.
Papa, that means they were in drawdown. So I had a killer trade. I didn't get stopped out. I killed a trade. I lost $2,000 on one of my funded accounts today because the market popped and I wasn't ready for the pop. So, but then the market continued down in the direction I thought we were going to be going. That's the Aggie part. So it happens. You can't dwell on it. You got to keep it moving. That's why I rotate my accounts. So that way I'm not risking all my accounts on each and every trade. So we got a lot of buying pressure down here. Lots of buying pressure.
10 o'clock.
There's 10 o'clock. We're above my first target that we came down to. I'd probably say we may try, if the bulls keep trying to push, we're going to test that pivot. Quick 460 right there. I targeted that pivot point. Got 460 on that trade. We'll gladly take that. What's a pivot point? On TradingView, for your indicators, you could put in pivot point standard. It'll give you the same pivots that I use. These are just key areas where support and resistance was at in other sessions. So it puts the pivots in because at those levels, it's either going to act as support or resistance. So I got some bad news. So that $2,000 loss I took blew that account. I thought I had more buffer than that, but I blew that funded account without even trying. Gotta freaking love it. So now that puts me down only on, let's see, right now 3 on Tradify funded, 2 on Lucid, 2 on TPT for my fundeds. Slightly disappointed with myself. Well, I can't even be mad because that pop I had nothing to do with. But that's where it makes me wonder, do I start using a stop loss? In situations like that, that's the only thing it will save me from.
If you find anything for them, please let me know. Period.
Let's see. Yeah, so I'm trading prop firms. So if I blow an account, that means I can't trade that account anymore. I lost it.
So you have the baby homies that are standing by to step up, so you never are out of funded accounts.
No, I know that, but like I said, I'm not activating the growth accounts anymore. So that was a select account that got blown.
You're the real deal.
Oh, 100%. I just switched over to one of these select Tradify evals that I had. I'm gonna put another $1,000 in on this one. I had to trade it for 3 days to get it funded. I already traded it yesterday, so I'll trade it again today, put more money in it, so tomorrow that could replace the down soldier that we lost today.
Hey, thank you for doing what you do, man.
Steve, you're welcome, sir. Kenneth, it varies on the trader. It varies on the trader. So like last month, end of last month, I blew a couple funded accounts myself. Last month, I went on tilt after one of the streams, which every trader, if they say they never go on tilt, they're not a real trader. Just being real.
They're pretending to trade. They're not actually doing it.
But I don't blow many funded accounts anymore. Last year, I would get a payout and then blow it. This year, I've been staying more consistent without blowing them. So that, I think that puts me on 3 or 4 blown accounts this year. But I have multiple funded accounts. So it doesn't affect me the same way because I have multiple funded accounts.
I feel like I'm done with my tilt days.
You'll be done with them, but you'll get one randomly. Just letting you know, fam. Like, they'll be far in between, put it that way. You won't have them consistently, but you will have one every couple months. Like, you'll have one day you're like, what was I doing? You know what I'm saying?
It's like they say, you're not scared of it, but you better respect it.
That's right. Not scared of it. What?
Don't be scared of the game. Your screen is black.
Oh, my bad. I thought I was on. My bad, folks.
Listen here, double dynamite.
Double dynamite. This is an eval. This is an eval.
Are you not trading any more funded today?
No, I'm done trading funders today. I put some money in, a couple of them, and I'm just taking that and running.
Well, I'm glad you're getting your cardio in. I'm very proud of you. Oh, you're in a trade. I see. You saw that bear flag.
Yeah.
But
But we got some buying pressure right here. I may kill this one just so that way I could preserve the profits I have in this eval already. But we're going to see if it breaks, we'll take it. If not, we'll get out.
you got that pivot point below.
That's what I was targeting. I was targeting that pivot.
Okay.
Since we know it's going to act as somewhat of a magnet, but we got this buying pressure that I'm not a big fan of right now.
Yeah, that lower wig is standing tall. Flamingo candle. No, it's gonna give it. Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Betsy. Bears finally trying to step in right here. We still got that buying pressure though. That's the only thing that has me slightly hesitant. Oh, good call. I wasn't even looking at that. Let's see if they pump through it. And at this point, once I get a little bit of green, I'll probably just close. Because we're dancing around that whole number.
Yeah, and it's like looking at the 5-minute, and if you look at it, kind of, it could be like a bigger bull flag that's forming.
Yeah, I see that as well. Good call, Steve. Steve is on it today, folks. He is on it today. Yeah, I'm going to kill this. Unless the Bears step in hard, that is definitely a bull flag on the 5-minute.
Yeah, it's like there's the 15-minute range right down there, and if it breaks through, we'll get a run maybe. Keep it going. I may need to tell myself to stop trading. Dawdling on the EMA, maybe we'll find that chance to springboard higher.
Let's see what we got in the chat. What's up, Tim? Are you worried about streaming your trades in case market movers are watching to wreck you? No. I move all this out. This would be the structure on this bull flag right here.
Yeah, that's kind of what I got on my chart.
I want to clear this previous candle wick.
Agreed. I do have a line there that was kind of holding it from a previous session, and it's stopping right there. So I haven't scrolled back on the 5-minute, but there's some
Yeah.
like a line of support. Oh, we're about to clear that wick.
Just barely, though. We cleared it just barely.
Oh yeah, and then it's just like, wah wah, just kidding.
Like, just barely. I would want, like, faster momentum through there
Oh,
for me to want to jump in.
I absolutely agree. I feel like this is drop though.
Come on, Betsy. Look at that selling pressure. I'm looking at my trading view right now. We got some selling pressure. We are towards the low of this 15-minute range.
I'll see you Saturday.
All right, bro. Have a good day. Yeah, I'm not even trusting that little quick little drop down below the 15 yet. I want to probably get below the pivot if I'm going to take it short. And I want to get above 74725 for a long. So below the pivot, I'll take it short. Above 74750, I would take a long. Right now, I feel like we're just going sideways in this area.
I absolutely agree. Because I have the old school, like, two-line flag happening, you know, the retro one, and
Mhm.
still it's just dawdling along and the same thing.
Yeah. Let's see if we get down to that pivot point. We're creeping towards it.
Man, I think I got those base hits down packed. I'm like a trained sniper on the ninja on my phone, man.
Hey, we'll take that, bro. Good job, man.
On your phone, that's impressive, man.
Yeah, well, I got the fold, so that opens up to where I get to have two hands on it.
Yeah, he pretty much has a computer in his hands. I've seen it.
Okay.
It ain't phone. It's a computer. All right, there's the pivot.
Yeah, pivot touch.
Just locked in 420 right there. I think our music just ended. Yeah, it did.
It was ending out of respect for your 420. And all the stoners on the YouTube are like, right on.
Right on. Right on, folks. Right on.
Right on, Jive Turkey.
So we came down, we tapped my first target from earlier, which was 672.50.
Hey, so Carmela, so you're actually using, you have one of those double phones, you're actually just on the browser with the Ninja?
Yeah, so I'll set up the Ninja Trader on my tablet to the side so I can see all my accounts and all the charts I need to, and then I got the 2 minute on the Ninja Trader on my phone.
Okay. Yeah,
That's why I'm keeping the base.
That's cool. That's a good system. I was curious to camp sometimes, and it's like, to hear you do it, you know what I mean? It's like, it can give me some inspiration.
Yeah, I like doing the basics on the phone because it's beneficial for me, I'll say that.
Yeah.
This isn't a computer. Duane is online. It's a tablet.
Yeah.
I just scratched on that trade. Okay.
There was one that I was up 181, and it was like crawling, like I saw like 181, something like that, and it
Yeah.
gave me $3.50.
Yeah, at least it's profit. At least a scratch though. You didn't make nothing. At least you made $3.80. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I know, like, if I look at the fees, I probably paid for the privilege. You made $3.50, but you owe us $5. Okay. That was a couple of days ago. It was just kind of like, what?
let's see if we build us a little flag down here.
Oh, I'm liking the 2 minute. It will cooperate, that is.
Yeah, if it wants to act right. If it wants to act right. Hey, baby. We could try. There's one. I forget the name of it though. I'll be able to tell you once you're in the allergy section. And maybe Allegro. I forget. It's like a white bottle with like a brown bottom or something on it. I forget. No. Okay. Yeah, just make sure it's non-drowsy. Yeah, no, I'll try it. I'll definitely try it. Just give me something that's super strong without drowsiness. Yep. Yeah. No, they're not gonna card you. All right, baby. Love you too. She's like, I left my ID at the house. You think they're going to card me? I'm like, they should not card you over allergy medicine. But you never know. You never know.
If they're getting the Sudafed stuff, they will, but if you're just getting the control one.
Yeah.
I used to work at a pharmacy.
Okay.
But I was at the grocery store, and we just picked up some food and
Let me log into my Lucid while this market's doing whatever it's doing.
It's you see it's gonna build out a nice flag for you, and it's giving you time to get ready.
We're just sitting above my first target. I want to get below that first target if we're going to flush.
Yeah, that was like 270 or 672 or something, right?
Yeah. So we're currently sitting like right below it, now above it. But we need some momentum here.
You got a black screen.
Oh. I keep forgetting today. My bad, folks. Woman, I can't talk right now. Hello? Okay, is that allergy? Okay. Okay. All right. So I'll probably stop trading this account since I just put in another like 350 bucks in it. So this is one of my fundeds. I switched back to it because I saw that move. Full transparency. Full transparency. And since I'm not, oh my goodness, I look, Jesus, that's crazy. That's that crazy work. Hey, another 1,200. Good job, bro. We went through, we did just go through my second target. Let me jump back to this 150K eval. Let's see, we potentially build a little bear flag down here to take us lower. Because we did cross through the second target, 618.50, 618.50. Want to see us build a little flag right here, take us down to that 600 level or below that.
Come on, close green.
We're now below that second target.
Duane would like that candle to close green. Oh no, he's in a trade.
I would like it to go red.
I understand, but you're not even waiting for the flag. You monster.
I pre-ran it. I pre-ran this one. I did.
You did. I can read your mail. It's all right.
I can read your mail.
Candle close 2 seconds.
I'll close that. Simply Tristan, what's up, bro? Let me disconnect my Lucid because I did get another Lucid account since I'm not going to over trade my fundeds with Lucid today. My third target is down at 564. So it's possible. It is possible. $240 base hit right there. I really would like to see a flag. I really would.
I hope so. I want to make sure you're the Duane I follow.
We're sitting right here close to the 600 level. Close to the 600 level. So I would expect maybe we try testing that 600 again before going down.
Yeah, maybe they'll test the 600, give us that flag, and
No, almost tapped that 600. All right, there's the 600 level. Well, we just tapped that second bottom, the second target from the 15-minute range, the 618.75. We came right below it. and instant selling pressure tried stepping in there. So let's see if we're going to build a flag right here to take us lower. A flag right now would be helpful. It would be helpful. All right, we're getting that slight push up, which is expected for a bear flag. Caught these boys trying to short. Right now it's building a flag. Look at the selling pressure. Come on down to my yellow line with follow through, and I'm taking it. We do have that 600 level there as well, so be careful on the 600 level. Come on, Betsy. Every time frame's oversold. Yeah, wait and go through my yellow line with follow through. There's my yellow line. But we're so close to that 600. I don't want to just jump in yet. There we go. We'll take that. I thought I closed with a little bit more profit on that one, but it pulled back pretty quick, so. But we will gladly take that.
To be honest with you, I'm kind of closing quicker than I normally would just because it seems like it's like that today. Like,
Yeah.
My one criticism of myself is like I'm like playing a song on the piano or whatever, like, but I'm not feeling it. Like, you know, like I should just have a little bit of soul in there to get a little bit more finish.
Yeah. But hey, what I personally like what you're doing, Steve, you're reflecting on your performance and you're seeing what you could do better, what you shouldn't do, everything like that. And that's the best part that I can say about you right now is the fact that you've been learning yourself will only make you a better trader.
Well, the thing is, I'm really looking forward to that psychology thing because there's some things that get on all of us, like you say, and I need that. You know what I mean? It's like I need to go and I need to hear it again, even if I've heard some things before. I need to hear it again.
Yeah.
I just need to digest it. I need to realize that, you know, what I'm accomplishing and how I can do it better and more efficient.
No, 100%. In the psychology video, honestly, I would say I've gotten great reviews on it so far. People have been telling me it's like, yo, it was really solid. I think it will help every trader because as a trade, we always feel like it's me against the market. That's how we feel. Like it's me against the market. When you understand that every trader feels the same emotions, every trader understands going on tilt, every trader deals with greed. Once you understand it's not just you, it takes the pressure off. It's like, wait, it's not a me thing. This happens to everybody. So if it's happening to everybody, let me try becoming better so that way it doesn't happen to me as much. Like I myself, I'm not a perfect trader whatsoever. I am by far not close to being a perfect trader. But all I strive to do is become a better version of myself each day in the market. And that's what you have to do as a trader. You have to just lock in, just try becoming better each and every day yourself. So that way you could be a really good trader over time. But it takes time. You know, it's not an overnight thing that just magically happens. No, it takes some time. First time watching, what do you trade? I trade the Nasdaq futures. Appreciate you tuning in.
Hey, so like, are we gonna get some more bear action on that 2 minute?
I'm looking at the 2 minute right now.
I mean, it's kind of dawdling along, but you know, we can get that. Look at that wick on top, we'll drive it down.
We got this pivot at 512. Well, 513. 513, we got pivot. Yep, gotta stay patient, bro. Your patience will save you money, believe it or not. I did not get filled, and then I got tagged in after.
I saw the blue out of the corner of my eye.
That's dirty.
And then they did just like I said, they dropped you on the other thing. Like, yeah, okay, that's nice.
Let's see if I could get out of this trade in the green here. I didn't get filled where I wanted to. I'll probably get ready to cut this if we don't flush here. Come on, Bears.
Come on, Bessie.
That's agginess. I got put in the trade after it. I did not get my fill, and then it tagged me in after the fact.
I totally saw it because that blue color, like it just sticks out on the screen. So like I saw it just as it was happening. Like
That was dirty. That was dirty. We got that 21 EMA above us. My hair on my iPad, I got. How's my son in the chat right now? That's hilarious. I'm sorry, son. I'm sorry that happened, bud. I do buy, ask, sell, bid, personally. I feel like you get better fills, but sometimes you do get tagged in late. Okay, I don't know what that was. Another crazy pop. I made money on it, but that is not what I was looking for.
You and me both made money on that, but it kind of is scary at the same time.
Like most traders would be happy, like, oh, I just made $1,900 in the green. No, that's so freaking aggravating right now. Like, so freaking aggravating. Sorry, boys. Yeah, I'm done trading for the day. I'm not going to execute. I'm going to sit on the stream with y'all. But that just aggravated me.
I'm just curious, like, what that was. Like, it was just somebody, like, made a statement, or? Hey, Dwayne, so I've been, I started, doing the hypertrophy thing, and I haven't missed a single workout, and then on one workout, both my sons were working out with me.
Awesome.
So it was really cool.
That's awesome.
No, it's very organic, and they're competing against each other, and it's hilarious. Like,
Slow down.
let's, let's work on form, you know what I mean?
Yep.
So I was telling you that to give you something happy to think about.
Yeah.
Did it work?
A little bit. I'm still annoyed right now, boys. I'm not going to front. I just put $1,900 in this account, but I'm annoyed about it. Like, that's when you know you're growing as a trader, that even when you win, you can still be annoyed just like you lost. So freaking annoyed. Listen, I love trading, right? I truly love what we're doing here. But I hate with a passion when you have random spikes in the market. I hate that. I like everything flowing consistently. I like consistent. I don't like spikes. So when you get a random spike out of nowhere, nothing's on the news, nothing's going on, and you get a random manipulative spike, that frustrates me. I don't care if I win or lose. It frustrates me the same, because that's not what I'm looking for.
Yeah, well, because the thing is, like, you won this time, but next time it could take you out. It's kind of like a rogue wave.
Because I blew an account earlier today, a funded account, because of random spike.
No, and I actually I hit in the red on one account, but I brought it back to green on that same spike, so I know what you mean.
Wait, hold up. Y'all catch me up? What happened? Sorry, my sister was here, so I completely missed whatever the commotion is.
Oh, no commotion. Your boy's just annoyed and the market's going to dump now. Be careful, folks. Just be careful.
You put 1,900?
Silk, don't even get me started, bro.
What is
Don't-
that? Is that
Don't even
good
get me
or no?
started.
What happened?
It was just a spike where I just did one of those. Whoop. If you look at your chart, you'll see it.
I was going for a base hit, right? I was only trying to make like $500. And it popped 19. I'm not mad at the pop itself because I'm green, but I hate when the market's not being consistent.
Valid.
So that's why I'm pissed off, because we've had random spikes in today's session. That's just market manipulation. There is nothing on the news, nothing going on.
Tomorrow's gonna be a full news day.
So your boy just gets aggravated when we get the random the market manipulation just because. You know what I'm saying? I don't like that.
Facts. I hear that. I hear that.
Hey,
Oh, yeah. You made 1,900. That's it.
Yeah, it's a positive, but I blew a funded earlier because of a random spike.
Redemption.
No, they
If it's green that you're seeing, baby, I say you something on your phone and we'll check it out. If that doesn't cheer you up, I don't know what will.
Steve's trying to make me fat. If your boy could get fat just looking at videos, I would be crazy fat. Steve sent me some carnivore porn.
There was that latest one that I was 5 hours that I took
Yeah, that looks delicious. Steve sent me some carnivore porn, literally some meat getting cut. You know what I'm saying?
That'll bring him back to a smile.
Oh, always. Tom, I'm glad you had a good day, bro. Congrats, fam. I only traded 3 funded accounts today. I did not trade my other fundeds because I don't like the market conditions today.
My boy's got 428 left to go.
Oh, if you were been trading when it just did that spike, you would have been like well over.
I would have been done.
You taking continuations in areas of support with oversold RSI getting flamed. Trust me, I was on the other end of this. Tim, I'm not getting. Who's getting flamed? First off, is there a flame around me? Because your boy ain't getting flamed. Your boy's consistent, okay? Your boy's consistent.
There's a flame in the room with us. You like that one?
That was just kind of, that's the way you said it. It was like perfect. It was like part voiceover or something.
Make sure you guys all check out the trading psychology video I posted today or yesterday. A lot of people said it helped them. It's great content, all that stuff, helping them master the psychology of trading. Oh, Tim, I know you're not. You just said people, you getting flamed. I'm like, no, I'm not getting flamed. Like, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it definitely can burn people 100%. But it is what it is. Consolidating right now slightly. I feel like we may continue down. Just me personally. Just what I'm seeing. Skux, I did, bro. Your boy did. Off a random freaking pop today, too. And then the move continued down the way I thought it would. But it is what it is. It happens. It happens. I'm not mad about it. I have multiple funded accounts. But it's just agginess. Because I hate putting a soldier at rest. You know what I'm saying? Like, every good leader hates putting a soldier at rest. You know what I'm saying? Just saying. What's good, Neil? Been a minute, bro. How you been?
It's just like Captain America. I can do this all day.
That's not good. Ehs are never good. How you doing? You know what I'm saying? That's never good. I feel you on that, bro. Send me where you got flame road and I'll put in. So let's see. Where did I get flamed today? On one account. I gotta put that in there. So I would have, let's see here, 945. I got flamed right in here, Tim. I'm going to put this line. So I took the short. And I got caught up. Your boy got caught up right down here. Sit back, enjoy it. As long as, like right now, one of my goals has been to get fully funded with Tradeify again, which I threw a wrench in the system today because I just blew an account. So now I had to add 2 instead of just 1. But I'm also trying to get fully funded with Lucid as well. I'm trying to run 5 funded accounts per firm. And then with Apex, maybe I just go 5 or 10 with them.
I just feel like, 3 different devices that you could log into all your accounts with. Apex on this device, Tradeify on that device, Lucid on that device. Have a solid momentum move and trade all your accounts at the same time and then close them out in the green. That'd be insane. Like
I could do that on Ninja Trader.
Never mind.
I could literally trade all my accounts all at the same time.
That's right. But also problematic if it's a bad day.
Yeah, it would be. I would never trade all my accounts all at the same time because of that. What's up, son? No, Lucid is solid. I'm working on getting a payout from them. I think I need to trade like 2 or 3 more days to get a payout with them. Your job getting sticky. That's never good, Neil. Well,
That'd be like the end game of a full port.
feel like this is potentially, I'm not even, we got 2 minutes for, less than 2 minutes for 11 o'clock. I'm going to be jumping off at 11. Have a good one, Neil. If you're going to work, bro. Yeah, you're with the Navy, fam. I remember all my loyal, faithful subscribers. You know what I'm saying? I know, bro. Rob, have a good one, bro. Enjoy your workout. Like Skux, he's up in the UK. You know what I'm saying? It's like 2 something his time. Or no, it's later than that now. Or he's somewhere, I forget. But Europe area, I believe. Yeah, I think I got that wrong, Skux. As soon as I said, I may be off. Oh, New Zealand. It was somewhere away from America. I knew that part. All right, I knew that part. Here comes 11. 7 seconds left for 11. Should get some type of pop at 11, most likely.
Let's all be mindful. D knows his geometry.
Have a good one, Travis. How many funders do you have now? Currently, I would have 7. I currently have 7 funded accounts. Three with Tradeify, 2 with Lucid, and 2 with Take Profit Trader. I changed my air filter to my house last night, like at 1 in the morning before I went to bed. Because, like I said, I've been dealing with a lot of allergies because of all this pollen. And I gotta say, I woke up feeling way better. Took 0 meds. So I already knew. The filter was pretty bad. I totally forgot to change it when I was supposed to change that bad boy. Luckily, I had two extra ones on standby. But I could breathe a little bit cleaner today. Nice, Gux. So this Lucid account right here, this will be fully funded on Monday of next week. So get this fully funded. So that way then I could actually potentially trade it, fund it as well on Monday. Oh, sleep definitely does wonders for me. I'm a late person. So since I do the traders hangouts, once I get off, I'm still not going to bed for another like hour and a half. Because I eat normally at the end of my day. I've always been that person. So it's one of those things for me. I'm only really getting, let's see, if I'm in bed at 2-ish, 1:32, back up for like 8:40, you know, probably not the best, but it's what I do. I feel like we're going to come on down personally. I feel like the market is going to come down. Tomorrow, I think we may actually get a little bit better movement. Possibly. We do have news at 10 tomorrow. Let me actually go pull that up. So for tomorrow, we have 10 o'clock news. Jolt's job openings. So we may chop until 10, and then hopefully it settles and we get some good movement. Yep, that flag trying to pay. Well, I'm gonna jump off here. I gotta run around town for a little bit today. Have a good night, Scucks. For all my market makers and legacy and all my subscribers on YouTube, appreciate you guys vibing with me today, making money with me today, possibly losing some money with me today. Who knows? Appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you watch that psychology video and let me know in the comments on it how you guys feel the video was. Is it good? Is it bad? Let me know. Love your feedback. It helps me shoot better videos for y'all. And with that being said, I'm gonna go. I gotta go handle some business. So I'll catch y'all tonight, 9:30 p.m.
Have a good one.
All right, market makers. Stay safe in the markets, boys.